Hello foodies! Welcome back to my channel, calling out bok choy and tofu lovers out there. Let's make bok choy and tofu recipe with sesame sauce. For this recipe, we need all these ingredients shown each on your screen. We need tofu, oyster sauce, garlic, lemon, seasonings like salt, sugar, pepper, toasted garlic, soy sauce. We also need cornstarch, sesame oil, toasted sesame seeds, and of course our bida vegetables for today, which is our bok choy. So if you're ready to share some love in the kitchen, let's get cooking. Una sa procedure natin is to wash the bok choy thoroughly. Pag lahat ay malinis na, just cut them in half. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add a pinch of salt. Just boil the bok choy for 2 minutes. Drain immediately and transfer to cold water, or what we call as ice bath. Soak the bok choy in cold water for about 1 to 2 minutes to stop the cooking, keep it crisp, and retain its vibrant green color. Cut the tofu into cubes, kahit naman pahaba ay pwede. Lightly coating the tofu cubes with cornstarch for extra crispiness is optional procedure, as the coating helps achieve a crunchier texture. Sa coating niya, nag-add lang ako ng konting salt and pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a pan. Fry the tofu cubes until golden and crispy. 2 small squares of tofu lang ang meron ako, pero mas okay kung dadamihan niyo pa. Kasi diba, ang tofu is rich in protein, iron, calcium, and magnesium. Set them aside and syempre drain the excess oil kasi ayaw natin ng masyadong oily. In the same pan, add the minced garlic and saute until golden and fragrant. Pour 1 cup of water into the pan, add soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then season with some salt and pepper. Then add sesame oil. Add the cornstarch slurry while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Simmer until the sauce thickens. To add more flavor, add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, then put sugar to make it sweeter. On the plate, arrange the blanched bok choy. Bok choy is very low in calories but high in fiber, making it great for weight management. It has over 95% of water content, which helps you keep hydrated. The calcium and vitamin K in bok choy support strong bones and also has a cancer-fighting properties. On top of the bok choy, place the crispy tofu. Add the sauce, sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds and garlic, and drizzle it with some chili oil for a spicier kick. There you have it. Enjoy your rich, flavorful, and healthy dish. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. This is Delicious Cravings again, saying no hate, just love. Happy cooking!